Welcome back. Loud as shit. We got the mills running.
It is loud as shit in here today.
Come on, John.
So, got the old CRF300 finished up. As always, we're excited about it.
Oh, yeah.
See in neutral. Hit that button. Smooth? I haven't rode it yet. First time on it. Not bad. What do you like about this bike? I like the display.
What do you like the display?
For a 300, I mean, it's kind of similar to like a rocket or something. It's not bad. Hey guys, we got the old big wheel kit installed on here. Those noses are so loud. It's okay, it means we're making money when we're running, right?
Yeah, exactly what that
It
means.
means we're shipping orders, which is important. Yeah guys, got the big wheel kit installed. We're gonna move up front where it's a little more quiet. And let's do a walk around on this bike. What's up guys? Got a 2021 CRF300L. We now have a big wheel kit for this bike, which is extremely exciting because this is a very highly requested bike, and we're pumped to get this thing done finally. As you guys can see, we got everything from billet triple clamps. We got a custom swing arm. If you guys are new to us, haven't seen our channel yet, we build custom tread conversions. We also do big wheel kits, which is what you're looking at today. So everything from custom built hubs all the way to the custom swing arm with the jack shaft and everything. Yeah guys, more or less, if you grew up riding a Fat Cat and you understand how fun these bikes are in soft terrain, they're unbelievable to ride. They're a freaking blast, honestly. If you guys haven't seen it yet, check out some of our riding videos. We've got some pretty good content. We're obviously not going to hammer on this thing today. This is a brand new bike. It's going to go right to our customer in brand new condition. But I think this thing's going to be an awesome trail bike. It's also more or less just riding in soft terrain, being it's a little bit of a smaller, less horsepower bike. It's going to get wicked traction too. Hey guys, check out bbcbigwheels.com. You can also go directly to bbcoffroad.com. We've got some crazy discounts for Black Friday this week on our website. If you haven't yet, check out the video on that, but go right to the website. We've got all the details on the website. One thing that's cool about this kit, we added anti-vibe handlebar mounts to this kit. This is not rigid mounted like the stock ones. So this is actually a handlebar clamp setup from like a CRF450 motocross bike. We also have the surround going around the key. So this was all machined into our billet clamp specifically for this bike. And of course to hold the OEM headlight, speedo, and all those accessories. Basically, it's as clean as possible. We tried to make this thing as much like OEM as possible. Yeah, what do you think, Alex? Not too bad.
I think this is a beautiful bike.
What do you guys think about making these into a trek? I think that would be pretty cool. I don't know how it'll be with the welded subframe, but we're looking at it. I think this will be a killer trail trek, honestly.
Yeah.
If you guys like that idea, definitely comment. If you guys like big wheels in general, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe. There's so much more content coming in the future. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel, guys. We got tons of content. So we've had a few questions about kickstands on these. As you guys have seen on the CRF300L, we actually mount it to the swing arm. But on the CRF300, we're actually able to use the stock setup. We basically just made a little spacer so that this doesn't go up as far and it does not hit our swing arm. So the factory kickstand and sensor does still work, which is awesome. Another clean feature on the CRF300 kit.